So I want to introduce you really quickly to the Map-Sandbox, which is the easiest way to start getting up and running with data mapping. So you just click there and you can see here you've got an empty map, and I've added some files on the help section that you can download. So these are if you've seen the intro to mapping file types, you know each of these is its own type of file. So a GeoJSON file or a KML, and this councils is a shape file. You can download these right here and then follow along. So I will add a layer and then go drag one of those files. So say the census tract GeoJSON file. I'll drag that here, and you can see there are 529 of those in Dallas County. And if you click on one, you can see the data associated kind of baked into the file for that particular shape. So this file has this many fields, and each of those shapes has the same fields. You can also view the data if you look at it here in more of a spreadsheet format and actually export like that. And then you can merge and style. Say you have percent poverty by census tract, then you can use a key that matches a file. So the GeoID is the number of the tract, and if you have a CSV or an Excel file that has another column that says percent poverty, you can merge that and color the file based on that. And there's a bunch of different types of things you can do. You can download that as different file types. You can save it into the actual map data system. You can download this as a picture to use in presentations. So if you've created some interesting visualizations here, you can do that. And then you can also add more than just one layer. So let's now add the Dallas County Public Schools, which I'll show you. This is a CSV. So it's very similar to Excel, but you save it as a comma separated value file as opposed to an Excel file. And I'll probably add support for Excel as well. But anyway, we can add that, and I'll drag that file here and it will populate. So these are all of these schools in Dallas County technically. Some of these are outliers, but you saw the data associated with that. So I'll go ahead and style this based on the radius by field, and I can select the property and number of economically disadvantaged kids, and you can see it changes based on the data that's associated with each of those campuses. And then again, you can save this into the system, or let's download that as a file as well, and another one you can use within your presentations. And you can add as many layers as you want. You can download the whole map, or you can download certain layers and do all sorts of interesting stuff. It's very fast because it's all within the browser. The map's main data system, all of the data is sent to the server, so it takes a bit longer, but that's why this is kind of an easier, more fun, and quick way to do your data mapping, and I think a good system to be able to learn on.